What truly takes away a person's health and happiness after 50? It's not the number of candles on your birthday cake. It's not some hidden illness lurking in your blood. The real thief is the quiet absence of discipline. Discipline is the invisible line between a life that stays strong, vibrant, and fulfilling, and a life that slowly slips into weakness, regret, and decline. Today, let's discover what happens when discipline fades and why it's never too late to reclaim your best years. Picture this: a man in his 60s, once full of energy, now skipping his morning walk just this once. He reaches for the sugary snack, telling himself he'll eat better tomorrow. He promises to stretch, to drink more water, to go to bed earlier, but tomorrow never seems to come. Days pass, and he feels his body growing stiff, his mind becoming tired, his energy fading away. The change is silent. No alarms ring, no warnings flash. But slowly and certainly, decline arrives, not with a crash, but with a whisper. Without discipline, the decline isn't dramatic. It's gentle, almost unnoticeable. A missed walk, a poor meal choice, a skipped glass of water. Each small moment adds up until the body feels heavy and the mind feels clouded. Energy that once came easily now feels out of reach. The world seems less inviting, more difficult to navigate. The difference between a strong, active life and a life of regret isn't age. It's the discipline to make small choices, again and again. But discipline isn't about punishment or denying yourself joy. In truth, it's about freedom. When discipline slips away, comfort becomes a prison. The couch feels safer than the park, the remote control more familiar than a conversation with friends. Easy choices win every time, and the life you once knew grows smaller. The walls of comfort close in, becoming chains that keep you from the world outside. Comfort feels good in the moment, but over time, it limits you. The easy way out, the path of least resistance, leads to a life that shrinks. Walking to the mailbox becomes a chore. Meeting friends for coffee feels overwhelming. The things that once brought happiness now seem out of reach. Discipline is the key that unlocks the prison of comfort, restoring freedom, movement, and connection. As discipline fades, it's not only health that slips away, it's respect. Health advice from doctors is ignored, and family members start to whisper, "He doesn't take care of himself anymore." Children and grandchildren watch, learning not from what you say, but from what you do. The legacy you leave is shaped by your choices. Discipline isn't just a gift for yourself, it's the example you set for those who love you. They see your habits, your routines, your determination. They learn that true strength isn't about youth, it's about commitment. Your discipline becomes your legacy. It's the lesson you leave behind, the story they'll tell about how you lived. Did you face challenges with courage? Did you care for your body and mind, showing them what it means to age gracefully? Or did you let comfort steal your pride, your health, your connection to the world? The answer is written in the small choices you make every day. Many people dream of traveling the world, playing with grandchildren, living independently into their 80s and 90s. These dreams are beautiful, but they aren't free. They cost daily choices, movement, nutrition, self-control. Without discipline, these dreams quietly vanish before they even begin. The most painful regret is not what you did. It's what you never gave yourself the discipline to do. Think of all the things you wanted to experience: walks on the beach, laughter at family gatherings, adventures in new places. These moments are built on a foundation of discipline. Every step you take, every healthy meal you eat, every hour of sleep you enjoy, these are the investments that pay off in freedom and joy. Without discipline, dreams become memories of what might have been. But here's the truth that changes everything. It is never too late to start. Discipline doesn't require a grand transformation overnight. It begins with tiny steps: 10 minutes of walking, 1 glass of water before every meal, turning off screens 30 minutes earlier each night. Each small act builds strength. Each tiny choice buys back energy, health, and time. The body listens. The mind follows. Life, once shrinking, begins to expand again. You don't need to wait for a new year, a birthday, or a crisis. The turning point can be today. Every time you choose discipline, no matter how simple the act, you lay a brick in the foundation of a better future. The energy returns, the mind sharpens, the world opens up once more. You are never too old, never too far gone, never too late to change the story you tell yourself and the legacy you leave behind. A life without discipline shrinks into weakness and regret. The world becomes smaller, quieter, less joyful. But a life with discipline, at any age, grows into strength, freedom, and pride. The difference is not in your birth certificate, but in the choices you make each day. So ask yourself, right now, will you let comfort steal your best years? Will you accept the prison of easy choices, or will you fight for the freedom that discipline brings? The power is in your hands. You can reclaim your health, your respect, your joy. You can inspire your loved ones, showing them that courage and commitment never fade. Start with one small act. Take that walk. Drink that water. Go to bed a little earlier. Each choice is a step toward the life you deserve. A life of strength, connection, and pride. Discipline is not a burden. It's the path to freedom. No matter your age, no matter your past, you can choose to live with discipline. You can rewrite your story, expand your world, and leave a legacy worth remembering. The time to begin is now. Don't let comfort steal another day. Choose discipline and reclaim the health and happiness that belong to you.